Hello there guys, welcome to Wisdom Academy PH. It's Wenjay here and today we're going to discuss adding and subtracting polynomials. So this is the fifth video on lecture video series on algebra. So in our past few videos, nag-discuss tayo on how to deal with the numbers in algebra. We also discussed yung concepts behind algebra, algebraic expressions, and polynomials. Today, i-discuss naman natin, magsa-start tayo na i-discuss yung mga operations regarding polynomials. And in this case, we're going to start to perform addition and subtraction sa mga polynomials natin. So, polynomials are special types of expressions, no? So if you want more information regarding polynomials, you can watch the previous lecture video before this, in lesson 4 natin, which dwells on algebraic expressions and polynomials. But for this lecture video, I'll be starting on, performing operations on these polynomials. Now, before we proceed sa mismong topic natin na pag-add and pag-subtract ng polynomials, we must first review the properties of addition, no? Bakit, no? Dahil yung mga properties ng addition, that will serve as our springboard to add and subtract polynomials. So, kailangan natin ng buwelo. Kailangan natin bumuwelo at kailangan natin ma-recall, no, yung mga simpleng properties lang na tinuturo sa atin noon, nung elementary. At magiging malaking tulong to sa pag-add natin ng polynomials dahil talaga namang yung basics of the basics talaga. Palagi naman nating babalik-balikan yun. Palagi namang nakakatulong yung mga maliliit na bagay sa pag-aaral natin, no? Okay, bakit mahalaga ang properties? So, isipin nyo, sa basketball, 'di ba? Kailangan marunong tayong mag-dribble ng bola para makagalaw tayo sa field or sa floor. Now, sa algebra parang ganoon din. Kailangan maalam tayo sa properties, maalam tayo sa mga ganun. Or simply, minsan nga, hindi natin naalala yung properties, pero at the back of our minds, alam natin kung paano mag-manipulate at parang kumbaga, minsan by heart, alam natin sila. Nakakalimutan lang natin sila technically, pero pag palagi nyo inisip itong mga properties na to ay for sure, gagaling ka sa pag-manipulate ng algebra. Now, ito yung properties of addition na kailangan nating ma-recall. First is yung commutative property of addition. Second is yung associative property of addition. And then next is yung identity property of addition. Now, yung commutative property of addition, so yung terms, yung mga meaning ng mga properties talagang diniretso ko na, no? As you can see sa slides, talagang straight to the point. Kung ano yung mapupulot natin dun sa property, nilagay ko na siya straight to the point. Sa commutative property of addition, pwede mo pagpalitin yung mga terms. So in this case, look at your screens. 5 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 5. Pinagpalit yung 5 plus 4, ginawang 4 plus 5. Pareho lang yun. So, ganun din, kapag nag-deal tayo with polynomials, pwede magpalit-palit yung mga terms natin. Ikaw bahala mag-organize ng mga terms, no? So, yun yung mapupulot natin sa commutative property of addition. Sa associative property of addition naman, paano? Kapag puro plus yung signs, yung mga magkakatabing signs, pwede mo baguhin yung grouping ng terms. So, in this case, tingnan nyo si 5 plus 3, nakagrupo sila. And then, magsulat nga ako. Si 5 plus 3 nakagrupo, 5 plus 3 nakagrupo, tapos inadan ng 2. Pag addition lahat ng operations, pwedeng ilipat ko tong si grouping symbol dito kay 3 plus 2. And same lang din yung lalabas. So, as you can see, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 2, that's 10. Ito naman, 5 plus 3 plus 2, what's that? That's 5 plus 5, and then we get 10. So, yung groupings, pwede mo baguhin. So, yun yung mapupulot natin sa associative property of addition. Sa identity property, pag nag-add ka ng 0 sa kahit ano, same yung lalabas. Yun lang. Ganon. Simpleng-simple, di ba? Yung properties natin. Now, we have discussed yung properties natin. Ngayon, ang i-discuss naman natin, we're starting to discuss kung paano nga ba talaga mag-add ng polynomials. Now, let me introduce to you the concept of like terms. No? Kapag sinabing like terms, so pag sinabing like, magkapareho, di ba? So, like terms, they are the terms that have the same variables and powers. So, pareho yung variable, pareho rin yung exponent ng variable. Kapag ganun yung terms, like terms yun, kahit magkaiba ng coefficient. no? Basta pareho yung variable, pareho yung power, like terms yun. So, in this case, ito si 4x at si 3x. So, you can see, yung variable niya na ay x, yung power ng dalawang variables na yan ay 1. So, same lang din. Kahit magkaiba sila ng coefficient, ito yung coefficient nila. Kahit magkaiba sila ng coefficient, same yung variable nila, those are like terms. Okay? So, yun yung concept ng like terms. So, anong mapupulot natin sa like terms? So, one cool thing na mapupulot natin sa like terms, kapag like terms, yung dalawang terms, pag in-add or subtract mo sila, pwede mo silang i-simplify. So, as you can see, 4x plus 3x, pwede mong i-add yung coefficients nila. So, yun yung main takeaway natin dito sa like terms. So, 4x plus 3x, if you add that, 4x and 3x, you would get, okay, add natin yung coefficients nila, 4x plus 3x, you would get 7x. Okay? Now, ito naman, same din sila ng variables. They have xy and xy. So, like terms din sila. They have the same exponents din, exact same exponents and variables. So, i-add lang natin si 3xy plus 5xy. What we would get would be 8xy. Okay, easy, di ba? So, pag nakita kayo ng parehong set of variables and exponents, magkaiba ng coefficients or kahit magkapareho ng coefficients, pwede mo sila i-add, no? So, yung variables talaga yung nagmamatter pag nag-add tayo ng polynomials. Now, eto naman, 2x squared plus 3x. Pareho sila ng variable na x, pero magkaiba sila ng exponents. Ma-add mo ba sila? Ang sagot ay hindi mo sila ma-add. So, anong mangyayari pag ganyan? 2x squared plus 3x. Yan na yun. Di mo na dadagdagan ng kahit ano. So, magstay na lang yan sa ganyan, 2x squared plus 3x, without ever simplifying that. So, kailangan talaga pareho rin yung, hindi lang yung variables yung pareho, kailangan pareho din yung exponents. Okay? Now, let's have examples on adding polynomials. Let's have this first one. Find the sum of 2x squared plus x plus 1 and 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, isa na yung first line ng solution natin. So, kasi nilatag lang natin si 2x, hinanap natin yung sum ni 2x squared plus x plus 1 and 3x squared plus 2x plus 2. So, nilatag natin siya in this form, 2x. In-add natin siya. Ito yung first, ito yung second. I-add daw natin sila. So, again, we use the concept of like terms and we use the concepts, the properties of addition na discuss natin before. Kanina lang, no? So, in this case, let's recall, yung first, yung property natin na discuss kanina, yung pangalawang property na discuss natin kanina, ano yun? Ang discuss natin kanina property ay yung associative property. In that case, the groupings do not matter, no? Pwede mong baguhin yung groupings. Pag nag-add ka, nag-add ka lang, pwede mong baguhin yung groupings. Therefore, etong first line of equation natin, pwede nating tanggalin yung grouping symbols. So, 2x squared plus x plus 1 plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 2. So, ginamit ko yung associative property para tanggalin yung groupings. And then, another thing is that commutative property, pwede mong pagpalit-palitin yan. Pwede mong igalaw yung mga terms. Una-una, pagtabi-tabihin mo kung ano yung tingin mong like terms, pagtabi-tabihin mo. Ganun yung gagawin ko ngayon. Pagtatabi-tabihin ko yung like terms. So, pagtatabihin ko to, ito, pagtatabi-tabihin ko, i-organize ko lang sila. Basically, yung ginagawa ko is, inaayos ko para mas madaling maintindihan, no? Para magkatabi-tabi yung mga like terms, yung mga mga pareho ng variables. Okay, so now, iusog ko to dito, i-arrange ko sila such that magiging magkatabi yung mga magkakapareho ng variables. Ito si 2x squared plus 3x squared plus x plus 2x plus 1 plus 2. Inayos ko lang sila. Ngayon magkakatabi na sila, mas madali na silang maintindihan. 2x squared plus 3x squared, add ko yung coefficients nung mga like terms. So, I would have 5x squared. Itong makuha ko naman dito ay 3x and makukuha ko dito ay 3. So, that's it, no? I used the properties. Ginamit ko yung mga properties. Ginamit ko yung concept ng like terms, and that's it. You can add and subtract polynomials with ease, no? Ang dali, no? Ganun lang, no? Actually, if you're smart, if you're really, if you're smart, no? Hindi, if you're experienced enough sa mga ganitong bagay, actually, kahit nga, skip mo na yung pag-apply ng properties, eh. Kasi, if you know what would happen, if you know na, pwede mo silang i-add ng direkta, you can do that mentally, but what I'm doing here is I'm really organizing yung stuff, parang mga, nilalatag ko talaga yung mga concepts na nag-go behind yung adding polynomials such as yung mga properties natin. Yun talaga yung nangyayari. Minsan, na-overlook, nakakalimutan i-apply. Pero, yeah, it doesn't matter. But as long as you reach the end goal, na matapos yung problem, magawa yung problem, huwag lang kayong mangungopya. So, ang gagawin nyo lang talaga, i-apply yung properties and yung like terms, concept ng like terms, and you can add and subtract polynomials with ease. Okay? So, now, let's have another example. So, we have 2x squared plus x plus 1 and negative x squared plus 3x minus 2. So, what we will do is, yan, nilatag na natin sila sa first line of equation natin. I-add down natin sila. Find the sum nga. So, ngayon, I'll use the associative property para tanggalin yung groupings. 2x squared plus x plus 1 minus x squared plus 3x minus 2. So, meron na tayong ganyan. Ang mangyayari na ngayon, actually, I can opt not to explicitly apply. Kahit hindi ko na ipakita na i-arrange ko sila. Actually, kahit mentally, kanina kasi, di ba, inayos natin sila such that magiging magkatabi yung mga like terms. In this time, let's not do that, no? Assuming na kaya nyo gawin to mentally. Isipin nyo lang, tingnan nyo yung mga magkakapareho ng terms, magkakapareho ng variables, yung mga like terms. And then, you can subtract them sa isip nyo or add them sa isip nyo. So, for example, 2x squared, ito 2x squared minus x squared, itong x and 3x, at itong 1 and 2. So, start tayo sa 2x sa mga x squared. 2x squared minus x squared, that's x squared. And doon naman sa x's natin, we have x plus 3x, we have 4x, and then we have plus 3. So, yun. So, as you can see, yung kanina, talagang step by step, ginawa ko talaga, in-apply ko rin yung property ng commutative para i-organize sila. So, in this time, hindi ko na sila in-apply. No? Gumamit na ako ng mental, tabi-tabi ko na lang sila sa isip ko. Doon ko sila in-add, doon ko sila sinubtract. So, ganun lang, no? As you can see, whatever works for you. So, kung gusto mo i-organize sila na magkakatabi, that's fine. If you think na hindi mo na kailangan sila pagtabi-tabihin, that's fine too. Basta, ang importante ay masimplify nyo yung mga dapat masimplify. Okay, now, subtracting polynomials. Paano naman pag nag-subtract tayo ng dalawang polynomials? So, for example, 3x squared plus 2x plus 3, yung difference nun with negative x squared plus 4x minus 1. So, ito na yung first line of solution natin. 3x squared plus 2x minus 3, that polynomial subtracted by another polynomial, negative x squared plus 4x minus 1. So, what do we do? Simple lang, no? Pag isusubtract tayo ng polynomials, ang gagawin natin is to convert the problem to addition. Gaya nung diniscuss ko nung operations and integers, no? Pag nagsusubtraction, kadalasan, mas maganda i-convert na lang natin siya sa addition, especially kapag stuck kayo or especially kapag gusto nyo pasimplihin yung problem. So, ang gagawin natin, step 1 is to convert the problem to addition. So, how do we do that? Itong minus sign na to, gagawin natin siyang addition. And then, we will invert the sign of the subtrahend. At ito si minuend, ito si subtrahend. So, yung nasa kanan, i-invert natin yung signs niya. So, magiging positive x squared, lahat, yun nga, bawat isa, i-invert natin yung sign. So, babalik rin natin yung sign ni negative x squared, magiging positive x squared. Ito namang si plus 4x, magiging minus 4x. Ito namang si minus 1, magiging plus 1. So, from yung problem natin kanina na subtraction, i-bring down ko lang tong first term. Yan. Yung problem kanina natin na subtraction, naging addition na. Ang ginawa lang natin, negate natin tong mga to. In-invert natin yung signs nila. So, yung subtraction problem natin, naging addition problem na lang. Now, again, you can apply the properties right here para i-organize at pasimplihin sila, pagtabi-tabihin sila, para maging mas madali sa eyes natin. Pero in this case, I'd be adding them directly. Or, yeah, I'd be adding them directly. Mentally, you can do that. So, si 3x squared yung mga x squared, pagsasamahin ko, you would get 4x squared. Yung mga x's, pagsasamahin ko, you would get 2x minus 4x, that would be negative 2x. And then plus 3, and then plus 1, you get 4. So, ganun lang, no? So, ang dali lang mag-simplify, mag-add and subtract ng polynomials, di ba? So, ganun lang, no? Now, ayun, nilagay ko pala, no? Yan, so diniscuss ko rin sa slides na as you can see, yung negative, kinonvert ko sa addition, and then lahat ng signs dito, as you can see, in-invert ko yung signs ng lahat ng nasa subtrahend, and that's it. Ganun lang, no? So again, another example, let's do it again in this problem, no? Na medyo mahaba-haba. Again, 7x squared plus 4x squared plus x plus 9. Convert the problem into addition, and then I'll invert the sign of the subtrahend. Yan. Negative 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 6. So, let's just solve it for now. No? Ang gagawin natin ay pagsasamahin natin, this is cubed, pagsasamahin natin yung mga like terms, no? So, you can use, again, you can always use yung ginawa natin ng first problem natin kung saan ginamit natin yung properties ng addition para ma-organize sila. Pero in this case, pagsasama-samahin ko na lang yung mga nakikita kong like terms. So, 7x cubed minus 2x cubed, you would get 5x cubed. And then si 4x squared minus x squared, ito, you would get 3x squared. And then si x and 2x, you would get 3x. And then si 9 minus 6, you would get plus 3. So, ganun lang, no? So, na-simplify na natin itong mahabang term na to, naging ganito na lang siya. Okay? So, ang ginawa lang natin, kinonvert natin yung problem sa addition, and then, in-invert natin yung sign ng subtrahend. And, again, you can always use your properties to simplify them and to organize them. Now, yun lang, no? So, basically, that's it for addition and subtraction of polynomials. All you need to do is to really repeat, practice, and practice, no? Simple lang naman to, para kang nag-a-add ng integers kasi yung coefficients lang naman yung ina-add natin and sinusubtract natin. So far, so good for your algebra journey, right? Now, again, today we discussed your properties of addition, yung commutative, associative, and then yung identity property, which we can always use, depending on your style of solving, no? You can oftentimes use these properties para i-organize yung problem. And yung like terms din, kailangan din maalala yung like terms na concepts, no? And always mag-ingat tayo na hindi mag-add ng mga variables yung mga variables na pareho pero magkaiba ng exponents, you'll never add them. And then also, yung addition of polynomials, we also discussed, nagbigay tayo ng examples doon. We also discussed subtraction of polynomials kung saan kino-convert natin yung problems to addition, and then we invert the sign of the subtrahend. Okay, so that's it for this lecture video. Thank you very much for watching this lecture video. Again, this has been about adding and subtracting polynomials. I hope you learned from this, and for our next lecture video, we would be discussing multiplying polynomials. No? So, God bless, and see you on the next one. Thank you very much for watching this video lecture made by Wisdom Academy PH. If you want to join our mission of providing high-quality educational videos for all Filipinos free of charge, then please consider supporting Wisdom Academy PH by contributing or donating to the following accounts. Kung interesado naman kayo maging parte ng aming organisasyon bilang isang volunteer educator upang makapagbahagi at makapagturo sa mga taong nangangailangan, then please proceed to this link. If you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up. And if you want more educational videos like this, then please subscribe to Wisdom Academy PH and hit the notification bell for more updates. Watch and learn. God bless, and see you on the next one.